everyone, welcome once again to my channel. Now if you are suffering from dry, dull skin and looking for a skincare routine that can give you clean, clear and glowing skin, then this is the video for you. And to have a really beautiful skin, you should have a skincare routine and which you have to follow every day without fail. And one thing is really good about skin and hair is that at any age you can start taking care of it, and you will see differences in your skin within like 10 to 15 days. I believe most of the people don't know that they have to start their anti-aging regime at the age of around 25, but nonetheless, even if you are in your 30s, in your 40s, you can still start having a skincare routine and you will see difference in your skin right away within days. Now all the things that I will be telling you in this skincare routine today, I believe these are all must have in your skincare routine. Now the very basic skincare routine that you should and must follow is called CTM, and CTM stands for cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and you should do this 2 times in a day. Once in the morning while maybe you're taking shower or while you just woke up, and at night when you are going to prepare to go to bed. So we'll start with cleansing, which is the first thing in your skincare routine. Now what cleansing does is it explains itself that it is going to clean your face of any dirt or any pollution or anything that you have on your face. Now if you do makeup, then you have to do an additional step in cleaning your face. That you can do it with cleansing milk or any other makeup remover, and then you clean your skin with any cleanser, and always choose a cleanser according to your skin type. So to cleanse my skin, I will be using Plum cleanser, which is chamomile and white tea cleanser. Just wet your face and also your neck and just take a small amount and put it all over your face and neck. Now we'll come to the second step of toning your skin. Now toning is a really important step, and still now lots of people don't know about it and they don't use that step, and they think that toning is like extra step thrown in the skincare routine. But it is really important because it balances the pH balance of your skin, and it also hydrates your skin. You should not be choosing a toner which has alcohol in it because it is going to then dry your skin. I'm using Plum toner, which is a Plum green tea toner. Adequate amount of toner on the cotton pad, and then you just apply it on your face and neck. And now we come to the last step of CTM routine, which is like the most basic routine, that is moisturizing. Now what moisturizer does is it prevents the moisture loss from your skin, and it also works as a barrier between your skin and the atmosphere outside. And if you use a good moisturizer, then it is good for anti-aging also, because you will see people having oily skin get less wrinkles than people having dry skin. So that's why moisturizing is also very important if you see in perspective of anti-aging. To moisturize your skin, you can use any moisturizer of your own choice. I'm using my wheat germ oil, which is by Scent Botanica. So I'm just going to take 3 drops of wheat germ oil, and I'm going to mix it with Kama Ayurveda rose water. I'm going to pump it 3 times. This was the basic routine of CTM that you have to and you must do. Now according to me, in a basic skincare routine, you have to go a notch higher, and then you have to add some more things in your skincare routine. Then only you can get a clean and clear skin. So let's add in my suggestions in the skincare routine. So at least 3 times in a week you should use a face mask, and also all these things you are not using only on your face, you have to cover your neck up to here. For my mask I am going to use Just Herbs. This is their Sandal Glow. Done putting the mask, you just wait for mask to get it dry, but don't let it get too dry on your face. And the next in my skincare routine suggestion is facials. And according to me, if you get a facial done once in every month, which will be the best. If not, then at least get a facial done once in 2 months. What facial does, it stimulates your skin and it brings the blood flow to your skin, and right away when you get a facial done you see the difference on your skin. Facials are really good for anti-aging, and it will give you the nice glow on your skin. So these are all the suggestions from my side to have this skincare routine to get the clean, clear and glowing skin. And believe me, if you follow this skincare routine, you are going to see really good differences in your skin, and you are going to have a skin that is not going to get wrinkles soon. Do follow this routine and do comment below if you follow this routine how you felt about it, and please feel free to share my videos with your friends and your family. So I'll be back soon with another video for you all. Until then, bye.